If you're thinking of building, make sure you come inspect 13 O'Neill Street in Gordonvale. Save the hassles because this one's been built in 2022. You're situated on a 651 metre square block, plus you've got a huge big shed at the back, and you've got a great location being walking distance to the main street of Gordonvale. Let's go and take a closer look. As you can see, this home's been beautifully presented and is immaculate inside. If you want to know more information, please come along to the first open home or give me a call and I'll organise a private inspection. I'm Nikolai Bursky from One Stop Property.